Pajjiżna jrid jara li jibqa' kompetittiv għal kumpaniji f'setturi fejn il-kompetizzjoni internazzjonali hija waħda qawwija ħafna. Iddikjara dan il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista f'waħda minn sensiela ta' żjarat li qed jagħmel mal-ħaddiema bi preparazzjoni għal jum il-ħaddiem. Fiż-żjara tal-erba' ltaqa' mal-management u l-impjegati ta' video slots li twaqfet f'Pajjiżna fl-2011 u llum kibret tant li saret waħda mill-kumpaniji ewlenin fis-settur tal-online gaming. Illum il-ġurnata nofs l-impjegati ta' video slots huma Maltin b'rappreżentanza tajba ta' impjegati nisa anke f'pożizzjonijiet għolja, tant li l-ewwel impjegata saħansitra kienet tfajla Maltija. Iżda anke kumpaniji bħal dawn qed isibu diffikultajiet bħall-għoli tal-ħajja f'pajjiżna.
The issue of the cost of living in Malta, which slowly is now creeping up. One of the main attractions that Malta had was that we have amazing weather, we had good conditions insofar as structuring companies in Malta, and we had a very moderate cost of living compared to other jurisdictions and other countries. That is creeping up, and the price of rents, for example, is something that I've been hearing not only in this industry, but across the board.
Dan kien ikkonfermat ukoll mill-uffiċjali tal-kumpanija stess illi semmew l-ispejjeż li jidħlu fihom biex iġibu ħaddiema barranin lejn Malta.
We need to provide as much as possible so we can help them find the location. So we've invested in an apartment, for instance, so they can start moving in our own apartment while finding somewhere to live. And then we're building our own canteen and we're building our own gym just to retain that talent. But at one point, they need to live somewhere themselves. So then that is the challenge.
Sfida oħra li dan is-settur qed jaffaċċja ili żmien medju li ħaddiema jdumu mal-istess kumpanija f'dan is-settur qiegħed jonqos. Dan iġib miegħu spejjeż ta' taħriġ għall-impjegati ġodda fost l-oħrajn.